Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, if A, B, 4 N-type species are tetrahedral, then which of the following are correctly matched? Where A is the central atom, B is the surrounding atom, and N is the charge on the species. Okay? So let's do the question. Which of the species should be A, B, 4 N-type, that is tetrahedral? ठीक है बच्चों, tetrahedral. So in AB4 type, if there is 4 electron pair, ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अराउंड द सेंट्रल एटम इन एनी मॉलिक्यूल, द सेंट्रल एटम, ठीक है, किसी भी स्पेसिस में अगर सेंट्रल एटम इज सराउंडेड विद 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, देन द ज्योमेट्री इज टेट्राहेड्रल. ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इट इज गिवन करेक्टली. So in case of first option, if central atom is xenon and the bonded atom are oxygen, it is XeO4 and the charge is 0. So this molecule is xenon tetroxide. Here, if you count the electron pair around the central atom, it is half into valence electron of xenon is 8. There is no monovalent atom and charge, so there is 4 electron pair around xenon that represent sp3 hybridization, and hence it is tetrahedral. ठीक है, because there is no lone pair, because here bond pair is also 4 and lone pair is 0. ठीक है, this is tetrahedral, so it is correctly matched. In option B, it is the central atom is selenium and the bonded atom is fluorine. ठीक है, and it is 4 and charge is 0. So this is the molecule where the central atom is selenium, so electron pair around it will be half into valence shell of selenium is 6 and 4 monovalent atoms. So here the electron pair is 5 that represent sp3d hybridization, and that geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. ठीक है, and this is not the correct matching according to the sp3 hybridization. ठीक है, this is not sp3. In case of next is the central atom is phosphorus, the bonded atom is oxygen, it is 4 and charge is -3. So here the central atom क्या है बच्चों, it is phosphorus. So valence shell electron around the central atom is 5 plus 3 negative charge. ठीक है, so here the number of electron pair around the phosphorus atom is also 4 that represent sp3 hybridization. Bond pair is also 4 here, so there is no lone pair. तो यहाँ पे ज्योमेट्री क्या होगा बच्चों, here it is also tetrahedral. ठीक है, so it is also correctly matched. In the last case, it is in the case of D. Let's do here. D is center atom is nitrogen and bonded atom is hydrogen, and it is positively charged +1. Here the central atom is nitrogen, and if you count the electron pair around it, half into valence shell of nitrogen is 5 plus 4 monovalent atom of hydrogen -1 due to the positive charge. ठीक है, and it is 4. 4 electron pair around the central atom is sp3, and because the bond pair is 4 and there is no lone pair, so the geometry is tetrahedral here also. ठीक है, so according to this is also a correct matching. The only thing that is not matching is this one. ठीक है, so the species that tetrahedral and which of the following are correctly matched, it is A, C and D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.